Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Banknifty and Nifty are going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels that you need to look out for. Today we did not trade anything in Banknifty or Nifty because we were having a no trade zone depending on the volatility that was created on the previous day. But however, here in the stock options category, we made close to half a lakh. A lot of my participants have made close to 35,000 and similar to mine and more than mine as well. There is a link to the Telegram channel that is being listed below. You can just go there, have a look and see what would entice you, because their stories are something that is worth a read. So as a trader, you need to take some motivation from people who are doing well and see what they're doing well and do the same. So what are they doing same? They have subscribed for my live trading event. So there is a link to our website. You can join our live trading forum on www.rltrgroup.com, subscribe for a plan, and then start your profitable journey today. Okay, this might be something that would be in your account. Now, just to again reiterate, we have not used more than 1.5 to 1 lakh worth of capital, and we are making such a kind of returns in options. So that is something that will be adding a lot of value to your trading career. So without further ado, let us go ahead and see what has happened. So today I told my people not to have anything done in this no trading zone. So remember, this would be a similar no trading zone for tomorrow as well. If Bank Nifty or Nifty opens, let's start with Nifty first. So if Nifty opens between this range, there is nothing that needs to be done until and unless there is a closing on the top here. We are not going to go ahead buy anything in Nifty. However, if it takes out 15,680 tomorrow in the morning, then we can see a very decent target over here at the bottom, and that target would be somewhere around close to 111 points. So if it is going to stay here and then consolidate and clear this level of 15,771, then we can look for an easy target of 35 points, but then we can also have a positional view for 16,000 and thereafter. So tomorrow the Fed's news will give a lot of information about what the scenario is and how you need to take care of things. So if there is anything, just reduce your quantity and try to understand and analyze the market. Now, in terms of Bank Nifty was in a range. Now, Bank Nifty did do a breakout. Now, if you would look out on the yesterday's level, I did tell you anything about 35,000 will give at least 100 to 200 point move. So today you have seen, close to 178. But however, tomorrow, if it is taking out this one, then there is going to be a target that it is going to reach over here, and the target would be somewhere around 200 points at 35,414. And then if that sustains there, then the upside target will open. Now, if Bank Nifty opens in between 35,000 and 35,185, I don't want you to trade, but somehow if it takes out 35,000, then we can look for at least 300 points on the downside, and that would be a very easy target for you all. So with this, I thank you so much for your time. So I hope my levels help you in making decision in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want to make similar profits, do join us on our live trading forum where I share my screen, go ahead and give you, what we are going to buy and how we are going to buy, and stay with you for the entire time until you go ahead and book your profits. So thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Jai Hind. We'll see you on another video. Goodbye for now. Love you all. Bye-bye.